Africa, a vast continent stretching from the sun-baked deserts of the north to the dense, uncharted jungles of the central regions, has once again left scientists in awe with a series of discoveries that challenge everything we thought we knew. Among them, the remains of the oldest dinosaur ever found have been uncovered. But that's not all. Traces of our ancient ancestors have also emerged, offering a glimpse into humanity's distant past. Join us as we explore 10 terrifying discoveries made in Africa. Number 10. Goliath frog, Cameroon. When people think of frogs, they often imagine small, croaking creatures hopping around gardens or ponds. However, the African Goliath frog is a true giant in the amphibian world and holds the title of the largest frog on Earth. This remarkable species can grow up to 12.5 inches in length and weigh as much as 7.2 pounds, comparable to the size of a small house cat. Its muscular body and powerful hind legs allow it to leap impressive distances of up to 10 feet, making it an agile escape artist despite its size. The Goliath frog, scientifically known as Conrawa goliath, is native to the lush rainforests of Western Africa, primarily in Cameroon, with smaller populations in Equatorial Guinea. These frogs prefer to live near fast-moving rivers and waterfalls, where they find abundant food and suitable breeding grounds. Their habitats are characterized by a unique blend of flowing water and rocky terrain, which offers the ideal environment for their survival. Interestingly, these habitats experience two distinct seasons: a dry season from November to April and a rainy season from May to October, both influencing their behavior and breeding cycles. Adding to their mystique, Goliath frogs are mute. Unlike most frogs, they do not possess vocal sacs, and therefore do not produce the typical croaking sounds associated with their smaller relatives. Unlike the typical image of a frog gulping down insects, Goliath frogs have a more varied diet. They are carnivores and feed on a wide range of prey, including insects, crustaceans, small fish, and even other amphibians. Their large mouths and strong jaws make it possible for them to consume prey almost as large as their heads. This hearty appetite plays a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance of their environment, as they help control the populations of smaller species. Breeding among Goliath frogs is just as fascinating as their size. Males construct nests near riverbanks, meticulously arranging rocks and gravel to create a safe space for the eggs. This is no small feat and requires significant effort, reflecting the male's strength and resourcefulness. To attract a female, males engage in wrestling matches with rivals, a behavior rarely seen in other frog species. Once a female selects her mate, she lays thousands of eggs in the carefully prepared nest. However, the role of the male ends there, as no parental care is provided after the eggs are laid. Despite their remarkable adaptations and ecological importance, Goliath frogs face significant threats. They are classified as endangered, with their populations declining due to habitat destruction from logging, farming, and expanding human settlements. Additionally, they are hunted for their meat, which is considered a delicacy in some regions. The illegal pet trade also contributes to their dwindling numbers. Conservation efforts, including habitat preservation and hunting regulations, are crucial to ensuring the survival of this extraordinary species. From the lush rainforests of Western Africa to the arid expanses of southern Egypt, the natural world's marvels are rivaled only by the ingenuity of ancient civilizations, leading us to a discovery that predates even some of history's most iconic structures. Number 9. Nabta Playa, Egypt. Imagine standing in the vast, sun-baked desert of southern Egypt, about 700 meters south of the Great Pyramid of Giza. Amidst the endless sands, you stumble upon a hidden marvel, Nabta Playa. This ancient stone complex, often dubbed the Stonehenge of Africa, is not only older than its British counterpart, but also offers a fascinating glimpse into the ingenuity of early human civilizations. Nabta Playa dates back over 7,000 years, making it one of the world's oldest known astronomical sites. The site features a series of stone circles, megaliths, and other monumental structures that align with the stars, suggesting they were used for astronomical observations and possibly as a calendar to track the changing seasons. The most striking feature of Nabta Playa is the calendar circle, a group of large stones arranged in specific patterns. Studies have shown that these stones align with stars like Sirius, Arcturus, Alpha Centauri, and the Belt of Orion. This precise arrangement indicates that the builders had an advanced understanding of the cosmos, allowing them to predict celestial events and seasonal changes. The people who constructed Nabta Playa were likely nomadic herders, moving across the desert with their animals. Despite their nomadic lifestyle, they demonstrated remarkable sophistication in their knowledge of the night sky. This suggests a deep connection between their daily lives and the cosmos, possibly using the stars for navigation, timekeeping, and cultural practices. However, as Nabta Playa gained recognition, it faced threats from tourists who defaced the site, and some stones were even moved, altering the original alignment. In response, the stones were carefully relocated to the Nubian Museum in Aswan, Egypt, where they are now preserved and can be viewed by visitors in their original formation. Despite these challenges, Nabta Playa remains one of Africa's most significant archaeological treasures. It offers invaluable insights into the early human connection with the stars and stands as a testament to the ingenuity of ancient civilizations. Visiting Nabta Playa is like stepping back in time, allowing us to marvel at the achievements of our ancestors and their profound understanding of the universe. Yet, just as Nabta Playa reveals humanity's ancient connection to the cosmos, another mysterious artifact from a different corner of the continent beckons us to uncover its secrets. Number 8. The Sky Stone, Sierra Leone. In the heart of Sierra Leone, a captivating discovery has left scientists and geologists scratching their heads. The Sky Stone. This stone isn't just remarkable for its vivid sky blue hue, it's the composition that truly sets it apart. Unlike most minerals, which are blends of various elements, this stone is predominantly made up of oxygen, a feature that's both rare and puzzling. The story of this enigmatic stone begins in 1990 when Italian geologist Angelo Pittoni stumbled upon it in Sierra Leone. Intrigued by its unusual appearance, Pittoni sent samples to laboratories in Rome, Germany, and Tokyo for analysis. The results were astonishing. The stone was composed of 77% oxygen, 20% carbon, and lime, with traces of silicon and other materials. This composition was unlike any other found on Earth, leading researchers to speculate about its extraterrestrial origin. Adding to the mystery, local legends suggest that these stones were once beings that inhabited the sky. According to the tales, God transformed them into stones and cast them down to Earth as a form of punishment. The Sky Stone's unique composition challenges traditional geological classifications. Its high oxygen content is particularly intriguing, as oxygen is typically a gas at Earth's surface temperatures and pressures. The presence of solid oxygen in a natural stone form is unprecedented, prompting scientists to reconsider their understanding of mineral formation and the conditions required for such a composition. Some researchers have even proposed that the stone could be a remnant of an advanced ancient civilization. This theory is bolstered by the fact that many ancient African civilizations were advanced in various fields, including metallurgy and astronomy. The Sky Stone could potentially be a testament to their sophisticated understanding of geology and mineralogy. Despite extensive studies, the true nature and origin of the Sky Stone remain a mystery. Its unusual composition and the legends surrounding it continue to intrigue scientists and laypeople alike. As the Sky Stone keeps its secrets, a new mystery emerges, sparking global fascination. Number 7. Mysterious Monolith, Congo. In the heart of Kinshasa, the vibrant capital of the Democratic Republic of Congo, a towering shiny metal monolith appeared out of nowhere, leaving locals and onlookers around the globe scratching their heads. Standing about 12 feet tall, this sleek, futuristic structure seemed like something straight out of a science fiction movie. Its mysterious emergence immediately became the talk of the town, sparking excitement, speculation, and even a bit of fear. The Kinshasa monolith was just one in a strange global phenomenon that began in late 2020, when a similar structure was discovered in the deserts of Utah. Since then, more than 200 such monoliths have been reported in various corners of the world, from the remote hills of Romania to the sunny beaches of New Zealand. Each one bore the same enigmatic metallic design and was seemingly planted without any explanation. In Kinshasa, the arrival of the monolith became an instant spectacle. Crowds gathered to inspect the strange structure, snapping selfies and debating what it could mean. Theories flew around like wildfire. Was it a modern art installation meant to provoke thought? Or something more otherworldly? Perhaps even a signal from extraterrestrial beings? Some linked the monoliths to the iconic sci-fi film 2001: A Space Odyssey, where mysterious alien monoliths played a pivotal role in human evolution. Others dismissed the extraterrestrial angle, but still found themselves fascinated by the sheer audacity of whoever placed it there. But not everyone in Kinshasa was enchanted by the mysterious pillar. Within days of its discovery, a group of locals, wary of its presence and the attention it was drawing, decided to tear it down. Using sticks and brute force, they toppled the structure and set it on fire, leaving only charred remains where the monolith had once stood. Interestingly, many of the monoliths discovered worldwide have been revealed as pranks or artistic experiments. Some artists and groups have even come forward to claim responsibility for specific structures, calling them part of a broader commentary on human curiosity and our attraction to the unknown. But in the case of the Kinshasa monolith, no one stepped up to explain its sudden appearance. As the monolith in Kinshasa sparked intrigue, it echoed a deeper mystery, one that stretches back millions of years to a creature unlike any other. Number 6. Crazy Beast, Madagascar. Imagine a creature so unique that it seems to defy the rules of evolution. Meet Adulatherium hui, affectionately nicknamed the Crazy Beast. This small mammal roamed Madagascar about 66 million years ago, during the late Cretaceous period, a time when dinosaurs still dominated the Earth. At first glance, Adulatherium might remind you of a badger or a beaver, but a closer look reveals its true peculiarity. Its skeleton is unlike any other mammal from that era. For instance, it had more holes in its face than any known mammal, a feature that might have had sensory functions. Its teeth and jaw structure suggest a diet, unlike any other known Cretaceous mammal. Even its spine and hind legs were peculiar, hinting at a distinctive way of moving, possibly both above ground and underground. This discovery is significant, as it existed during a time when Madagascar was already an island, leading to an isolated evolutionary path. The Crazy Beast is a vivid example of how isolation on islands can lead to extraordinary evolutionary paths. Its existence during the age of dinosaurs suggests that mammalian life was diversifying in more complex ways than previously thought. The implications of this finding are profound. It challenges the conventional narrative of mammalian evolution during the age of dinosaurs, showing that mammals were not just small nocturnal creatures living in the shadows of dinosaurs. Instead, they were taking diverse and unanticipated evolutionary paths. This discovery not only adds a new chapter to Madagascar's natural history, but also enriches our understanding of the diversity and adaptability of ancient life forms on our planet. As one peculiar creature rewrites history, another ancient discovery takes us even further back in time. Now it's time for today's subscriber pick. The rural banks of the Mukwa River hid secrets few dared to uncover. Dr. Lian Cheng and her team of scientists, drawn by a journal from 87 years ago, ventured into the dense bushland to unravel the mystery of the explorers who never returned. By midday, they discovered a cavern concealed behind a curtain of vines. Inside, the air was thick and electric, the walls shimmering faintly. Then they saw them, 3 towering creatures with sleek, obsidian-like exoskeletons. Their elongated limbs moved fluidly, their luminous eyes locked onto the intruders. The aliens emitted low, guttural sounds, communicating in a way that sent chills down spines. As the team stepped back, the journal's warning flashed in Lian's mind. They watch, they wait, they protect. Suddenly, one alien raised its spindly arm, revealing a pulsating device embedded in its palm. A burst of light rippled through the cavern, and the walls revealed something horrifying: an ancient, dormant portal. After 87 years, scientists exploring Africa had made a terrifying discovery. These creatures weren't just guarding the portal, they were waiting. But for what? Number 5. Umbirosaurus rathi, Zimbabwe. Picture traveling back 230 million years to a time when Earth's continents were fused into one massive landmass called Pangaea. This was a period when the first dinosaurs began to emerge and roam the planet. Fast forward to the present, and a groundbreaking discovery in the wilderness of northern Zimbabwe has brought this ancient world